Today is Wednesday, my favorite math day. Do you know why? It's test day. That's right. That's where you get to see, do this all by myself. Can I do it? Right? Can I do it? Right? Okay, so today you're going to need this paper right here. Okay? Ooh, page 203. 204. Okay, now this one, you're going to have to listen closely to instructions, right? Test days always listen very closely and follow directions. That's part of your test because some of you not listening very carefully. Okay, so here we go. Get your papers. We're going to start down here at the bottom, okay? I mean, down here. Let's do that part first, okay? So here we go. Okay, down at number 4, A. Okay, ready? A, here we go. A, 12 minus 6 is B. 9 plus 6 is C. 8 minus 6 is D. 15 minus 6 is E. 7 plus 6 is and F. 5 plus 6 is, okay? Got them? Cool. Okay. Now, up here. Okay, everybody listen very carefully. If you need to, ask your mama to clean your ears so you can listen. Okay, ready? There are 2 things you need to do for each picture. 2 things. 1, you're going to color the part I tell you. And 2, you're going to color the circle at the bottom. Okay, so now listen very carefully. 2 things you need to do. This first one here, okay? Now, it says they want you to color 1/3 of this shape. Color 1/3. You can just put an X on it if you want. You don't have to color it. Okay, now, is this a rectangle or is this a circle? Okay? So, pick which one of these and make sure you color 1/3, okay? This one here, is it a circle or is it a square? Make sure you color 1/3. Okay, this part here, is this a rectangle or is this a square? And color 1/3. Okay, so I will give you, okay, so if you turn off your tape, okay, and then when you're ready, we can come back, okay? Okay, next part. These you're just going to add them up, and you can do that. You don't need help. Okay, down here, this is a clan. Okay, now, in each box are 2 things. You are going to color the circle for the one that is bigger. Which is bigger? Which is more? Okay, now, here we go. Ready? A cup or a pint? Which is more? Which is more? A cup or a pint? Okay, this one down here. A pound or an ounce? Which is more? Which is more? Okay. Oh, uh-oh, stop. I read the directions backwards. Sorry. Border. Okay. Border. It says, which one is less? I'm sorry. Sorry, Miss Susan didn't read carefully what she tells you, right? Okay. Back up. Okay, so which one is less? Which one is menos? Okay, the cup or the pint? Which is menos? Which is less? Okay, cup or pint? Who's smaller? This one here. A pound or an ounce? Which is less? A pound or an ounce? Up here. Which is less? The gallon or the quart? This one here. Which is less? a pint or a gallon, which is less, okay? Sorry. If you put the wrong answer, you just put an X through it and color the right one, okay? Okay, down here are the thermometers. Do you remember on the thermometer we count by twos? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? Okay, ready? What are the directions? I better read the directions, right? Okay. Last time I was trying to read backwards. Okay, it says, what is the temperature? So look at the thermometer and put down here, what is the number for how many degrees? Here, here, and here, okay? Yep. Okay, now, this part here, I need you to listen very, very carefully. Listen, ears on. Okay, here's the directions. It says, finish drawing and coloring 1/2 sea turtles, okay? In one of your other lessons, you drew turtles, remember that? Okay, now, we want 1/2 of a dozen turtles on your paper. Don't draw 1/2, we want a total of 1/2 a dozen. So, you draw your turtles and you color them. It doesn't have to be real pretty. Draw your turtles and color them so that they're a total 1/2 of a dozen. Okay, now, if you're like me, I don't draw. Okay, so if you want to draw a turtle like this, right? There's his head, there's his feet. If you want to draw a turtle, give him a tail. If you want to draw a simple one like that, I got no problem because I don't draw very well. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so we want a total of 1/2 sea turtles, okay? Down here, okay, now, ears on. I need your attention. Pay attention. Listen very carefully. I will read the directions. See right here? Okay, it says, color the circle. What are we going to color? The circle that is inside the square. We want to pintar this circle that is adentro el cuadrado, right? The circle inside the square. What are you going to color? The circle. You got it? Color the circle and only the circle that is inside the square. You got that? Those are the directions, okay? Color the circle that is inside the square. The circle adentro el cuadrado, okay? Down here, okay, you have numbers. You have hundreds, tens, ones. Write how many down there, okay? Got that? That's easy sneezy, okay? Bottom part, we have 2 clocks, okay? Now, this clock gives you a time, and it says circle the clock. Okay, this one says this time. Which one of these clocks is set right? One is good and one is bad. Circle the good one, okay? Here we have 2 clocks, and it tells you this time right here. We have 1 good clock and 1 bad clock. Circle the good one, okay? Circle the one where the hands are at the right place. You got that? Okay, so if you have a question, what do? You back up the video and do it again so you understand the directions, okay? Because I remember last year when the children did this exam, it was ugly because a lot of the children did not listen very carefully. So make sure you listen very, very carefully, okay? And if you need to, go back and listen to the directions one more time, okay? Okay, have fun.